Hi, I'm Noah Spector-Flock from St. Petersburg, Florida, and my website is stretchandstrong.com. I'm here today to talk a bit and give you tips about knee injuries. The knee is a very complex structure, and you need to see a physician for any real problem. When you are in a yoga class, you want to modify things and work easy. You want to support your knees with a rolled up towel or a pillow. You definitely don't want to hyperextend and push the knee down. You want to keep the knee slightly soft and bouncy. In any position, as you're bending forward or as you're stretching the leg behind. The alignment of the knee is between the second and the third toe. So as you are doing movements that are bending of the knee and flexing of the foot, you want to keep that alignment at all times. It is really very important because that supports and works on the muscles on both sides and gives them the same length and strength. You may want to guide it again with the TheraBand, where you actually work with resistance and you can slowly lift and train your knee to work in the proper alignment. One of the things you also want to pay attention to is how deep do you work with your knee. When you are bending, you want to keep your knee aligned with your foot. So you want to be able to still see the big toe. You don't want to go like that. This is way too much pressure on the knee. So you want to see the big toe, and if you can stretch the back leg, then go ahead and stretch the back leg. You're keeping the abdominal with the lower back working equally, as well as the 90-degree here, which will keep you safe. Keep your knees safe. Consult your physician. Thanks for watching my tips. I'm Noah Spector-Flock from stretchandstrong.com.